Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to register and create a team in Super 11 Fantasy app. So first of all, you have to download and install the app from this link. The link I have provided in the description, and very soon this app will be available to download from Play Store. So once you install the app, open it and it will look like this. Click on the down red button and you have to enter your mail ID and then click on the next button. So once you enter your mail ID, an OTP will be sent to your mail ID. Okay, now you have to enter a unique username of your choice here and click on next button. Now in this step you have to create a secret password. Make sure you do not share the password with anyone. So I have entered the password and then we have to click on next button. Now the referral code. So guys, please enter here asgardian as a referral code. If you enter my referral code asgardian, I will send you 1 BFIC coin absolutely free to your wallet address so that you can join some of the leagues. And then let's play. Initially you have to select a match. So I am choosing here Pakistan versus India. Okay, now we have to tap here create a squad. So pick squad. And in batsmen we have to choose 1 to 9 batsmen. So let me choose here 3 to 5 batsmen. So I have chosen 4 batsmen. Let's come to the wicket keeper. I am choosing Sanju Samson as wicket keeper. Now we have to choose 0 to 8 all-rounder. Let me choose Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Shadab Khan. And now let me choose a bowler. Okay, so I have chosen a 11 player. Now we have to click on proceed. And now we have to choose captain and vice captain. Let me choose captain as Virat Kohli and vice captain as Hardik Pandya. Now save the squad. Okay, so in this way I have created a team and have joined the league. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.